Hi guys and welcome back. So in today's class we're going to take a look at 3 different verbs. We're going to take a look at using refuse, accept and agree. Now I've chosen these 3 particular verbs because they're very interesting, but they're also, accept and agree are commonly confused. So let's just make sure that we actually fully understand what these verbs mean. Let's start with refuse. Okay, so refuse means no thank you. I'm saying no thank you to you. Whereas with accept, I'm saying yes please. Yeah, so refuse, no thank you. Accept, yes please. So no thank you, I do not want a coffee. Yes please, I do want a coffee. Now that brings us on to agree. Agree is basically you just saying yes. You're not saying yes please, you're just saying yes. You're offering agreement. So it's not accepting a coffee, you're just saying yes, coffee is a good idea. Yeah? So accept and agree can be confused. Now both accept and agree can both take that directly after them. You can accept that something is true, or you can agree that something is true, but we cannot use that after refuse. Refuse does not take that. To refuse that doesn't work. Both refuse and accept do take a simple noun. So for example, I refused the job, or I accepted the job. So I refused the job, I said no thank you. I accepted the job, I said yes please. So generally refuse, you're going to find it used with a noun or in the to plus infinitive form. So I refuse to do something. Whereas with accept, you're going to find it used in the noun form, or you're going to see it used with that. So I accepted that something was true. I accepted that I don't know, I accepted that coffee was a good idea. Yeah, so I accepted that something was true. I was saying yes please to something. So that brings us back to agree. So agree that, or agree plus to infinitive. Now with that, generally you would find that I agreed that we would do something. I agreed that we would do something. And you will find, particularly in reported speech, that the word would is quite commonly used. You should know that would is the past form of will. Okay, so will becomes would in reported speech. Okay, would is the past form of will. So in reported speech, I agreed that we would do something. Yeah? We can also use agree with a to plus infinitive. I agreed to do something. Okay? So those are your next 3 verbs. I've got another 2 verbs for you in the next lesson. Let's take a look at another 2 verbs. And on the board now you can see admit and deny. Admit and deny. Let's make sure we understand what these verbs mean first of all. So admit. The verb admit, I'm saying yes, it was me, I did it. It was me, I did it. Whereas deny, you're saying no, it wasn't me, I didn't do it. It was not me, somebody else. Not me, so I didn't do it. A lot of people do get deny and refuse confused. Now you guys know that refuse means no thank you. It does not mean I didn't do it. It just means no thank you. So do not get these 2 verbs mixed up. Both admit and deny take that, a gerund and a noun. So let's take a look at some examples. I admit that I took the money. I admit that I took the money. I could easily say I deny that I took the money. Yep. So that's taking that. Now the gerund. I deny taking the money. I deny taking the money. It was not me. I deny taking it. And the noun. I deny theft. Or I admit theft. Okay. Now, with admit or deny, when you're using that, so let's just take a look at the sentence. He admitted that he had stolen the car. He admitted that he had stolen the car, or he denied that he had stolen the car. You will notice here that this is using the past perfect. The past perfect had stolen. The past perfect is commonly found in reported speech. Okay, so it's one of the verbs when you're using reported speech that you are going to have to learn and know. Past perfect. Yeah, we will take a look at the past perfect in a later class, but I just want you guys to start thinking about how and when you want to be using the past perfect.